Good morning, everybody. So today is Tuesday, March 16th, 2020. Amid the coronavirus, we're still in Japan. To be honest, in the US it's spreading like wildfire and it's pretty crazy. So we figured we'd take our chances and come out to Tokyo since we paid a lot of money to be here.
Yeah, we couldn't afford to like change it really. In a so short notice that there was nothing we could do really.
So this house is a 3-story house. It's supposed to be for a group of 11. Now it's down to 3. And we understand, we respect everyone's decision. Safety first, you know. No need to risk your health and your mental, especially if you're scared about coming. So we're gonna give you a tour of our house, and yeah, I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro because I forgot my gimbal, so I can't really record everything straight. But I'll switch to the GoPro, and then I'll just give you guys a tour of the house. So we'll go ahead and get started on it.
Okay, so this is the entryway. So let me just show you guys. This is the door that we enter through, and then we go in here. Always take your shoes off, of course. So we have our shoes nice and lined up here. Then you get these little house slippers that I believe are in here somewhere. Oh, a stroller! I didn't even know they had a stroller in here. And there's the slippers. So there's a bunch there. It's very nice of them to leave umbrellas because it rains so much in Japan. Like, it's literally, if I could describe Japan to any other place I've been to, I would say it's like San Francisco, almost to a T. These are little post-it notes. I'm gonna write one when we leave. That's cute. I'm just kind of giving you guys a quick little. This is like helpful because this has like the numbers on in case you have an emergency, and then it gives you like information for the airport, the hospital, the police, everything. So that's really helpful. Nice little clock right there, so you always know the time when you come home.
So on the first floor where I'm sleeping, it's sectioned off. Right away you walk in and it's the bathroom. There's a laundry machine. Just the basic things. We're just keeping all their stuff up here. And of course they have the traditional bathtub with a separate showering area before you jump in the bath. The buttons to turn on, heat up the water. This one's cool, it's like a jacuzzi setting, has like jets for the back and your feet, and it bubbles up. Really cool touch. And of course, the customary for Japanese houses. Toilet separate. Has a bidet as well. Gotta have the poopery when you're staying with other people.
So Jose's sending me to the 3rd floor to do balcony shit.
Starting off is bedroom number 1, the one I'm staying in. I guess it's like the master of the house. I guess they used to also section the house off before and rent it separately. It has its own entrance, walkway. Pretty interesting. It's cold in here, like really cold. Alright, so for room number 1, there's 2 beds, a double and a single. If you come along this way, there is also a microwave and a refrigerator. I believe every single house room comes with a balcony. And then this one has a little burner, as well as a sink, some dishes, appliances, and a nice little table to enjoy your late night convenient meals at. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this house actually has some TVs as well, which is nice. Japanese TV is so interesting. They're so eccentric about everything, and it's nice. It's nice. It's a nice change up. The bed also has the remote for the AC units that come standard in Japanese homes, as well as a little reading light.
Here, this is our room. Made the bed. I'm gonna unlock again. Watch your step. This one's not as steep. And this is nice. exactly like the second floor one, just lower. So at eye level, what you're seeing is pretty much the street, and you're seeing like pretty much the bottom of the building. Whoa, there's a fruit on that tree. Oh, let me zoom in on that. Oh, and a cat. I didn't even notice the cat. Oh, how cute. Neko. Neko kawaii. Huh. Well, there's just a fruit just chilling there. I wouldn't dare pluck it or pick it off the tree. That'd be disrespectful. So yeah, the walkways. This one's a little bit higher. Like I'm not hitting my head on these things. So I think out of all the balconies, personally, I like this one the most. There it goes. Went back in its home. And there's that fruit. Looks so nice.
Alright, so this is bedroom number 1. So we're gonna go on to the living room. So this is a 3-story house. Hey, Malcolm's away. Oh my.
I gotta do my morning push-ups since I have a gym.
That is different.
I'll come back to the living room. There's another bedroom. Simple. They all have balconies. It's a double bed. Closet. There's an extra bed in here as well as a big TV down there. Pretty cool. Bathroom number 2. It's where they keep all the amenities, like the towels and stuff. It's really nice. Blow dryer, straightener, curler, tissues. I'm assuming these are hamper type things. Let's wrap up my dirty clothes. If it's not, I'm sorry. There's a space heater in here, and this is the shower. It's interesting. It's like a pod type thing. It's really small. Like I can touch it just reaching in from the outside. It has body wash, shampoo, conditioner, things to scrub your body with, and the shower head. And then, of course, the bathroom again, separated. Okay, both cry. So we're gonna go ahead and go up to the 3rd floor. Let's see if I can get the lights on. I don't know how to work the lights here. Room number 3. So this is room number 3. Have a nice little rack thing to hang up your stuff. I think this one has the most views, like windows. This is a single bedroom. It's nice for like a couple that doesn't want to share a room. Totally okay. Same thing. Remote for the AC.
So this is the door that leads to the 3rd floor balcony. Oh, this way. Ooh, watch your step here. Oh, and since it rained, these got wet. Alright, so this is our view from the 3rd floor. Some buildings. It's fairly small, but the balconies on the other floors are a little bigger too, so we'll check those out too. But yeah, it's cute, it's nice. You could put like a little lawn chair here, and it looks like it connects to this room too. It's probably locked from the inside. Yeah, it is. I'll try to show you guys from that room.
Here is room number 4. Room number 4 again is a double bedroom. Heater up on the corner. 2 nice full-size beds, or a double bed I guess. Each one comes with a reading light. And here's the remote for the heating unit and the remote for the lighting. Right. It lets you control the lighting of the room. Different modes. I'm dimming it, making it brighter. Different brightness levels. I'll just keep it on for now. Just like the rest of the rooms, each room comes with a nice closet space. Extra pillows, hangers, a fan. Although we don't really need fans right now. It's super cold. It reminds me of San Francisco, where everything feels wet all the time. And yeah, well, this room has the balcony view I was showing earlier from room number 3. Right there, connects all the way through. And this one also gives a very, very nice view of the city.
3 have access to the balcony here. If you just open, unlock from here, and you just slide it open. And yeah, the bed's kind of in the way, but you can just sneak on through. Of course, watch your step again. That's pretty steep, but it makes sense because since it rains a lot, like, you won't get flooding. I guess that's why they build everything so, like, so high. It's not that high, but I almost fell. Like, if I didn't watch my step, I would have fallen.
Alright, now that we're finished with this room, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the last room, which is the kids' room, I believe. Hey, the lights turned off. I don't know. Up here on the 3rd floor, there's another sink, so people can get ready, brush their teeth, do their hair, as well as another laundry machine. Here is the final bathroom. 3 bathrooms, 2 showers. Just another standard bidet as well. Alright, here's the final room. On the left for you guys. Final room is the children's room. So the heater is over here by the entrance of the door, which is a sliding door instead of a standard regular door. So it's set up as a bunk bed. Very nice if you guys have any kids in the family. They also supply a little roller chair, a rocking one, some toys, another rocking chair looks like, or a high chair, a few more chairs and toys, control as well. But yeah, the final room's a kid's room. There was 11 of us, so I'm sure, I mean, at least one person would have stayed here that could fit down here. It's not that bad. It's bigger than it looks, I guess. Oh, but it's very stiff. It feels like you're just sitting on the floor. Definitely nice that there's an option for an adult to fit in here, regardless of it being a children's room though. I'll leave the Canon at home for today. Fuck, I really hope I don't regret just wearing this.
What? Wearing what, the backpack?
Hmm? No, just this champion thing.
Oh.
I might.
I mean, I'm gonna be